We're a global skincare company. Our manufacturing is all based in Israel, and it's also all manufactured in Israel with products from the Dead Sea. So it's very natural products, and that's our whole skincare line. The Seacret Direct over the year has been growing quite a bit, and we continue to grow at least 10% a year, and sometimes even more. Through the pandemic, we doubled our business. And so we needed a partner to ensure that they could keep up with us and fulfill all of our needs and orders. That's why I came with Amware. Amware's been able to help me in so many ways. Probably the first is the quality of the shipping. One of the reasons why I came to Amware is because I needed my products to go out in pristine condition. So when customers get it, it's absolutely perfect. And they've been able to accomplish that for me. One of my major problems I had before I came to Amware was a lot of damages and a lot of complaints. And I was spending a lot of money replacing products. I no longer have to do that. That problem's been solved. And one of the reasons why I came to Amware is because they've been able to ramp up when I needed to ramp up. We have Black Fridays that have 3 months worth of orders in one day, and they're able to keep up with that. We sell kits, pre-made kits of like 3 or 4 different items. There's 30,000 kits that have to be built for Black Friday, and they get all of those kits built for me. I really enjoy working with Amware. The team has been very cooperative. They know what they're doing. They allow me to be hands-on. They allow me to come here. They allow me to work side by side with them. And they go above and beyond all the time. I can't say enough about the team here personally in Phoenix. They are absolutely spectacular.